As Christmas comes around again, it's so easy to get swept up in the noise, the lights, the shopping, the pressure to make everything perfect. But today, I just want to pause and talk about what Christmas is really about. Not the tradition, not the commercial side, but the truth behind it all. Christmas isn't actually a story about presents or festivities. It's the story of God stepping into our world, not because we deserved it, not because we did anything right, but because He loves us. God didn't wait for us to get our act together before He came. He didn't wait for humanity to try harder, or be better, or earn His love. No, Christmas is the announcement that God came while we were lost, while we were broken, while we were confused. Christmas is heaven saying, I see you, I know you, and I'm coming to rescue you. If we actually let that truth sink in, Christmas becomes way more than a holiday. It becomes a revelation of our value. Think about it. The God of the universe took on flesh, not because you're worthless, but because you're priceless. Christmas reveals that you were created in God's image. You're not an accident, not a burden, not defined by your failures or your past. Christmas is God saying, you are worth my son coming. You are worth being restored. That's identity. That's value. That's love. Christmas is about our relationship with God being restored, union with Him restored, the image of God in humanity restored. Jesus came to show us what we were always created to be, sons and daughters who walk in love, who reflect the Father's heart, who actually live in freedom instead of fear. It is about our hearts being transformed. And when you understand that, Christmas stops being something we celebrate once a year. It becomes something we live out every day. Because if God loved us enough to come as a baby in a manger, then we're called to love others with that same heart. It looks like speaking life instead of tearing people down, treating everyone like they have value, because they do, loving without conditions. Knowing your worth comes from the cross, not from people's opinions. So this Christmas, don't let the noise drown out the message. The truth is simple. God came for you, because you matter, because you were created for love, because you were made in His image. That's what Christmas is really about. Let's thank King Jesus today for His sacrifice.
Thank you, King Jesus.
Thanks so much for watching. If this encouraged you, feel free to share it, and have an amazing, love-filled Christmas. Be blessed.